Alright, UPS guy just left.
And what do we got here? Jlt.
Alright. Let's see if we can get out. But first, let's do a cold start. What's crazy is because I keep talking about it, but because of the ceramic coating, the snow kind of just melted off and fell off of the car. All right, let's go. Let's go get what we gotta get. We are headed. I got no fuel left. We are headed to the New York International Auto Show next week, so I got to get a couple things, and one of those things I have to get are business cards, because when I went to the Detroit International Auto Show, like a dummy, everyone from like these big car manufacturers like, oh, who you with, to have a business card? And I was like, wow, people still use those things. So this time, if I make some contacts with different car manufacturers, I want to make sure I have my business cards. All right, so what do you think about Daddy's new business? What do you think about Daddy's new business cards?
What business card?
These.
I don't see the card.
Take it out, look. I'm spinning it around.
Mustang Shopkins?
No, it's an Eco Beef. Let me show you, look.
I know it says Eco.
Hope this message finds you well in good spirits. And I had to unbox something that came in the mail. There's this new thing that's out. I'm sure if you're on Instagram or follow that universe, you know about the Tuner Guys subscription boxes for Mustang owners and Mustang enthusiasts. That is run by another YouTuber by the name of Jeff Ashton. Don't know if you've seen his channel. He has a black Mustang and a Shelby as well, but he was awesome enough to send me some of the box. So we're gonna open up and see what's in there and check it out. All right, UPS guy just left.
And what do we got here? Jlt.
Camera free? You down? You can hold it?
Got it. Okay, all right.
All right, let's do it. This is big. First of all, merchandise. It never ends. It's not for sale. This is not for sale. But if you want it for sale, let me know. This is JLT Performance, just so you know. The newest. No 18 has this. No 18 has this in the planet. This is the first prototype to have this. All the other 18s, this is the first one to have this. Oh, wait. Look at this. Swag. Look at this JLT Performance. Okay, listen. You want to get this shirt, not this one. I'm just kidding. Let's see. You ready for this, yo?
I'm ready.
Okay, this is a new filter they have. Okay, look at this. This is different. This is different than the normal ones. This is a new prototype, John. This is bubble wrap. Hold on. After we're done this video, we gotta keep popping it. This is new. It's supposed to be
Yeah, it's better because the other one's a Spectra filter. You can go to friggin' AutoZone and buy that, by the way.
Okay. Ah.
This one actually says JLT on it.
Now this is a special.
5-inch tube.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't 4-inch. That's 5-inch. I'm probably looking up.
Look at that. Look at that red. That's gonna pop. Let me take this. They packed it really. Yo, shout out to JLT and their packing job. Man. Woo!
Okay.
Look at that. JLT, they'll feel this, bro. This is, what is it, ceramic coated?
Ceramic coated.
This is gonna be hot. So this bad boy. This is
Hello.
it.
No, just
Let's go put it on right now.
Ooh, good.
Listen. This is nice.
Put that bitch on
Like this.
Oh man, it's gonna slow this thing.
Let's do it. It needs a tune though, but JLT Performance. Those are nice, yeah.
I'm taking it home.
You want one?
No, I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah, just
Next time you see this, it'll be, let's do the unboxing of
your box.
this is the tuner guys. I don't want to mess the box up. I actually like the box.
Damn box. Look, I didn't curse.
It's like Domino's.
There you go.
You ready? You
I'm
got
ready,
this?
man. Check it out.
Oh, look at this! Look at this!
Oh, it looks like a old 60
Something.
something. Oh. This guy's stuff.
He spelled my name wrong. It's Eco Beast, but I'll take my government. Thanks for the support, Jeff Ashton.
First off, he spelled your real name wrong. Too.
Okay, look what we got here. We got what is this?
Cloths.
I don't clean my car, so yeah. Look at this. Look at why has everyone got better T-shirts than me? Drive fast.
They actually put time in.
This is nice.
That is nice.
This is so much better quality. Oh wow, look at this. Tuner guys. Oh crap.
Oh man.
This is gonna look really good. Chasing No
Eco
One.
Beast has his new summer wear.
Yeah, this is the summer collection. Tuner guys. And by the way, listen, if you guys do decide to go with a subscription box, you do get this stuff every month. So many car guys have one outfit because we spend all our money on car parts. If you go with Tuner guys, you actually get this stuff monthly. So let's look at some of this, the detail.
I like the piston. That's a nice piston.
That's good work.
That's
Jeff
forged.
Ashton, good job.
That's diamond forged.
Look at this stuff. Oh man, hold up. We got something special. Some horsepower wrapped in here.
It's boosting. It's giving out.
Yeah, 90 horsepower, right? Oh.
What is that anyway?
Hawaiian Shine Jack Wax.
Ooh.
And we got this stuff.
That's the nozzle.
And we got a little bit of a Tuner guys. I'm an original member.
Original member. First member.
And so cool.
Yeah, I got
Thanks again. Big ups to Tuner guys for their awesome stuff. This comes monthly. I can't wait to show you guys.
This shit comes monthly?
Yes, this is a subscription
This
box.
stuff comes monthly.
I want to thank you. This is what Jeff Ashton of Tuner Guys says. I want to thank you personally for having a better YouTube channel than me. Wow. No, he didn't say that. I'm just kidding. I want to thank you personally for being an original member of Tuner Guys.
I'm sorry.
And for sharing your passion for cars with us. Definitely check out Tuner Guys. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks so much, Jeff Ashton. God bless you. Great channel. Awesome guy. Can't wait to use these parts. And you know what we'll do? We'll snap. I'm going to wash the car right now. It's nighttime outside. But I'm going to wash it. And we're going to wax it. Now I'm going to wash it and we'll wax it with this and I'll show you the results. All right, thanks. Thank you, sir. All right, so we're testing the...
That's a lot, bro. And this is a 100% legitimate decibel reader.
It said...
Can you see it good here?
Focus,
There you go. Yep.
125.8. All right, let's try it. I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna do a rev.
Do you want me to unmax it?
Yeah.
Redo it? All right.
That's cool. Look at that in the snow. That looks kind of cool.
That is really cool. All right, now to show you people. It's removing again, as you can see. 92, it means it went down. I take it off everything and it'll just be us talking, as you can see right
Okay.
now. But I'm gonna set it to max so it reads the top
All right.
maximum.
Let's check it.
Might beat 125.8.
All right.
125.5.
Damn it. I think when I rev it,
Would you like me to max it out for you?
yeah,
You get what I'm saying.
I know.
125.5.
That's still.
That's still 0.3 is, dude, for a stock 18 GT with just an X pipe.
Yep.
Yeah, for real. I wasn't expecting. I was expecting maybe a 120.
Yeah,
You're a little.
125.8.
Yeah.